It looks a bit better, but the face cams aren't too bad. Sleep tight, my friend. Definitely feels more stable on this mouse pad. So get like some weird frame drops in this at the minute. Oh, it could be. Have a look quickly. It doesn't look like it's on. No, doesn't seem it. Yeah, shotgun a good night, baby. Supposed to murder him. Yeah, I think it's a bit of glare. I couldn't see it. I'll have a look properly. Remind me. But I can't see the filter. I think I deleted it because that issue it was having. I think we're good. It looks normal to mine. Probably needs to turn down a little bit because of the brightness, maybe. Looks normal now, does it?
Вроде никого.
Yeah, saturation. It was. It's still a little bit saturated.
Ты куда пошел? Ты куда пошел?
PMC? Not PMC, a scav, I think. What a certain fucking spawn? I'm not getting it. I can use smugglers, can I? No. Yeah, just drop it straight in there. Don't check whether the pin's in properly. Guy's got balls of steel, mate. I'll tell you. You always get the one by big run in the garages. Yeah, I know what you mean. I need to spawn this side so I can get the fucking day mission, which is a extract on thingamajig. Smuggler's base, that's all I've got to do. I'm not getting the fucking extract now. What makes it alive? Fucking hell. You just pick it up and throw it away. Do you want to keep your legs? Feel a bit of... That was a fucking scav shooting at me, but I don't know where the fuck he went. Fucking lively. I can hear someone. Can't tell if it's above me and not. Hmm. 50-50. Someone's next to me then. Fuck. Showed him what must be geared. I knew he was nearby. I thought it was going to. I didn't imagine he could jump up there, to be fair. I thought it was in against the door. Should have waited when I heard that first point in the bush, but I didn't. Motherfucker. Kid one shot me in the head. Fuck me. Did I have wrong ammo in it? That's the problem. This is where it starts to piss me off. Took 2 shotgun rounds though. He's been fucked up, but his body armor took it. Bow show. Yeah, it feels wrong aiming for the legs though, do you know what I mean? Like, it's just, I don't like that meta. It seems wrong. I get it, but it still feels wrong. It's the wrong mechanic. Don't know. Oh yeah, I'm stuck with a fucking bolt action rifle at the minute because I've got this fucking quest. So that's not helping me. I don't particularly want to fight with a bolt action there. I'd rather use I'd rather use a fucking AR. I think exactly if I look through his chest. Exactly. That's why I don't understand why they don't make it that that strong close range. It should be. Shot you. If it doesn't kill you, it should fucking put you on your ass. There's no way you can handle that shot. So, even if you don't damage your armor as much, it's still gonna fuck you up. I need a fucking bolt action rifle now. Fuck me. I guess we're gonna get part of Mosin, which I don't particularly like. Yeah, that's what I normally do, a bit of Scab Factory. I'm going to have to do something. I've got 190k at the minute. This fucks me off. I can't buy the bolt action. I'm going to have to use iron sight. I'm not fucking killing PMCs with a fucking iron sighted Mosin. Do you know what I mean? Fuck off. I'm going to have to go around with the VPO, I think, and AP ammo. Mm-hmm. Do. That's what was winding me up though. When I'm getting the first shot and they're still surviving it. That's what pisses me off in this game. So that's why I need to try and get my level up a bit better. So I've got M80 or something. So they can't tank my shots. Viewer kit time? What do you mean, man? I'm gonna do the bolt action here. Gonna be VPO in it. In and out factory days. A bit skin at the minute after buying all those fucking cases. Fuck. This moustache looks a bit tidy. This mask is alright, it's got. It's an iron-sighted Mosin. I want them. This is like a fucking fully automatic shotgun, like super fucking deadly close range and murders everyone. That's what you want for close range like that. He must have been pretty strong to be able to jump up at that level, because I had to walk way around, so he must have been a decent level, that guy. Gimbo shotgun. You need something that's fucking... For that kind of shit, fucking an AR shouldn't beat a shotty there. Not saying in my situation, but in real life, it'd easily get murdered by a shotty. Cup of tea but no sugar. Oh dear, mate. How'd you forget that? I thought you were an expert. That's what you're always telling me. You're a pro tea maker, you said. Just remember what you made me buy. You made me buy that tofu SC, didn't you? Just realised, forgot about that. Bag of wheat, great. Some bandages, right. Only the keyboard. Uh-huh. I mean, technically, you put me into that site, mate, so therefore you're responsible for all of it. You know what I mean? That's the way I see it. Can't beat tea without sugar. I took sugar out of it. It's better for you. Think about how healthy that cup of tea is, mate. Fuck's sake.
Ща к барыгам, а потом по бабам.
So that. For fuck's sake. Fucking knew that was gonna happen. Fucking the amount of times I've been killed this fucking round of just other scavs killing scavs. Fucking unreal. To make the punishment worse, I don't see the point in it. So yeah, it was that go. I knew he was gonna do it. You do. He's not a fucking lunacy, but it's fucking. You just need to make it more punishable. Like, just fucks you up badly when you're a scav or something, or one of your traders. You can't use something like that. Stop them doing it.